In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide hours played on Steam games, so sometimes it could be really helpful. So as you can see, we can see how many hours did I spend in CSGO or something like this. So if you want others to see it, we just need to change one interesting setting. So to do this, we need to open our profile right up here. Basically you will open the profile like this, and then all you need is just to click on edit profile here, and then we need to go to privacy settings in the bottom of menu, and then we can see our privacy settings, but the settings we should change to hide our played hours is game detail. So here we can see the description of these settings, so we can just click in to private, or maybe to friends only, so only friends will be able to see our play time. So we can choose any setting we want. By the way, other settings are also interesting, and I suggest you to read about them, so maybe it will be helpful for you. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.